Nematodes are microscopic worms with attitude. They're roundworms. They're already found in your soil, so there's no need to be afraid of them. They won't hurt humans. They won't hurt your pets nor birds. They are made to go after larvae of insects in soil. Now let's talk about the species of nematode. We have some in cultivation right now. Let me show you. What you're looking at here is one of our cultivation plates, and inside we have larvae of insect. In this case it is Galeria, and we inoculate to get a pure new IJ, which is the baby nematode. What you're seeing on here is the nematodes actually coming out of each of the individual larvae, and they will come out, and this is called a white trap. So what happens is the actual nematode, brand new baby nematode, crawls up the wall and jumps into the holding plates. And we do this every 14 days.